Present Chief of outlawed Islamist outfit Jamaat-ul Mujahideen Bangladesh, JMB Saidur Rahman Zafar was arrested on Monday night from the capital. A special detective team of police arrested Saidur along with his wife and JMB Ehsar member Abdullah Hel Kafi from a house at East Dunia area in Jurain of the city. Police detained two other JMB members early Tuesday, military wing coordinator Amir Hossein Sharif and Ehsar member Nurul Hussain Shobuj from Sharif's residence in Narayanganj. Huge amount of ammunition, firearms and explosive manufacturing materials had also been recovered from the house. At a press briefing in the afternoon, Inspector General of Police Nur Mohammed said militants are not strong enough to conduct operations like before.
Activities ekbare বন্ধ হয়ে গেছে এটা বলার কোনো সুযোগ নাই। আমরা কিন্তু প্রায়শই তাদের কোনো না কোনো ভাবে কোনো না কোনো জায়গায় ওদের অ্যাক্টিভিটিস দেখছি এবং ওইখান থেকে ওদেরকে পুলিশ ধরছে। ওদের কিছু কাগজপত্র অনেক সময় বিস্ফোরক দ্রব্যাদি সিজ করছে। এগুলা কিন্তু কন্টিনিউয়াস আমরা করেই যাচ্ছি।
Earlier on Sunday night, police carried out a raid at an apartment at East Dunia that led to an attack on the law enforcers, leaving 8 policemen injured. JMB's military wing chief Shiblu was arrested during the raid.